Welcome to this video on Business Managed Wi-Fi. We will cover 4 key points about managed Wi-Fi in this video: survey, deploy, Wi-Fi 6, and mesh. Having a thorough Wi-Fi survey will allow you to have a complete understanding of your requirements. This also allows you to find any points of interest you may need to consider when deploying your Wi-Fi network. A survey can be carried out in a number of ways. At MFTS, we use Wi-Fi channel scanning and room layouts to determine the best locations for access points. After performing a Wi-Fi survey, we are able to create a solution to fit the needs of each individual company. The survey will give us an insight into what requirements and locations of the access points are needed in order to create a resilient network. When installing a managed Wi-Fi solution, we can provide a seamless integration into your office. If your requirement is ceiling mounted or hard to reach areas, we can accommodate. Installation is carried out by a certified engineer and will be tested as installation is ongoing. This allows us to ensure that we are able to avoid any unforeseen issues. After a successful installation of a managed Wi-Fi network, you can be assured that you will have the best available support with certified engineers at the end of the phone, with no long wait times or automated menus. Wi-Fi 6 is the latest wireless standard. It can do more than just boost speeds for single users, but it can also boost speeds for busy and client-dense environments. Previous Wi-Fi standards have had to communicate one process at a time, causing delays and lag. With Wi-Fi 6 OFDMA, many processes communicate at the same time, which substantially improves performance and reliability. Mesh configurations allow the best of all setups for Wi-Fi. The mesh process uses root devices to wirelessly communicate signal to other access points. This removes the need for complex or hard-to-reach cabling and allows for a smoother roaming experience. Many mesh solutions will allow Wi-Fi access in areas that would otherwise be inaccessible. Thank you for listening to this short overview of managed Wi-Fi for business. For more information, please get in touch with us via email, our website, or alternatively, call in on 01892 577 577.